Good afternoon, everyone. 11th class, accountancy. Chapter 8, journal. And few entries are left. So today we will be covering all those entries. So the topic is again special journal entries. Part 4. So today we will be doing some journal entries which are related to bank. Which are related to bank means bank transactions. Clear? First journal entry, write down. You will be analyzing. Okay. First journal entry, interest collected by bank. Interest collected by bank. Interest collected by bank means you were supposed to receive interest from someone, and on your behalf, bank has collected that interest and directly deposited in your account. So just raise your hands to tell me which accounts are involved and which account will be debited and credited. You can raise your hands. Yes. Interest collected by bank. Yes, Himanshu Agarwal. Very good. Quick response. Very good. You are unmuted.
मैम फर्स्ट तो मैम बैंक अकाउंट आएगा क्योंकि हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट हुआ है.
Bank. Only just tell me first only the name of two accounts. So first will be the bank account and other account.
इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट.
Very good. Interest account. Now you have
बैंक
Yes.
अकाउंट मैम एसिट होगा. बैंक अकाउंट हमारा एसिट होगा और इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट हमारा रेवेन्यू अकाउंट होगा.
Very good. Revenue और income होगा. Very good.
मैम एसिट मैम डेबिट होगा और मैम ये रेवेन्यू
Yes.
मैम क्रेडिट होगा.
Because asset is increasing, when your interest will be deposited in your bank balance will increase. So asset is increasing, so asset will be debited, and interest is the revenue is also increased, and when revenue increases it is credited. Here, so what will be the journal entry here? Bank account debit. Very
बैंक
good.
अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट.
Yes, to interest account, and amount will remain the same, whatever is given in the question. Suppose 500 is given, so we will be writing here 500 and 500, and the narration will be being interest received. Here, second, interest charged by bank. And sometime it may be written in the question, interest debited by bank. Interest debited or charged by bank. If we have taken some loan from bank, then interest is charged, as well as if we have opened a current account with bank, then in that case also the bank will be charging interest on the overdraft as well as on the other things. Clear? So now in this case, what will be the entry? Interest charged or debited by bank. So what will be the entry? Yes, Paridhi. Yes, Paridhi. Speak up better.
मैम बैंक अकाउंट होगा और इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट ही होगा.
Yes,
बैंक
the
अकाउंट
two
जो है वो
accounts will remain same. Bank and interest, both the accounts will remain same. But what will be the
मैम वो
changes?
डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे. डिक्रीज हो जाएंगे.
Now the interest, what is the nature of interest? Is it revenue?
मैम एक्सपेंस.
Very good, because this time we are making payment of interest. So now the nature of interest will change. So interest is an account which may be revenue or expense depending upon the transaction given in the question. So in first transaction, the bank has collected the interest, so that's why it was revenue. But in second transaction, bank has charged interest. Charge interest means bank have taken interest from us, so it is an expense now. When the bank will be taking interest from us, then it is the asset, and asset must be, yes,
डिक्रीज हो रहा है इसमें.
Yes, very good. Asset must be decreasing here as we have paid interest. What about the expense? Expenses increasing.
Increase.
Yes, yes, very good. So what will be the journal entry here, Paridhi?
Interest account debited to bank account.
Very good. Interest account debit.
Account debited
Very good.
to bank account.
Very good. Our bank balance will decrease. Clear? So this is the entry for interest collected. Interest collected means in place of collected, credited word may be given in the question. Both the meanings are the same. Collected or credited means bank has given us interest. And charged or debited means bank has taken interest from us. So this is the transaction for income. And this is the entry for expense. In this case, bank has charged interest from you. So both the entries are very important entry. Next, write down. This entry is also in relation to bank. Yes. Loan taken from bank. Third entry. Loan taken from bank. Yes. Now again raise your hands. Loan taken from bank. Yes. Very good. I'm waiting for some other students. Anshul, your video is off. Please turn it on, otherwise I will remove you. Yes, Anshul, I am removing you. Sorry, dear. As after my warning, you have not turned on your video. It means you are not listening me. So I am removing you, Anshul. Wait a minute. Yes. So please raise your hands. Yes, Mridul. Yes, Yash Bansal. Very good. A new hand raise. Very good. Speak up, Yash Bansal.
Ma'am, bank account.
Yes, one account is
bank
bank
loan.
account and other account is bank loan. Very good, beta. So now please tell me the nature of these two accounts. Yash Bansal, what is
Yes,
the nature? Bank account, what is its nature? Don't know?
bank account asset.
Very good. It's asset. And what about the bank loan?
Ma'am,
It's
it
a
is an
liability.
expense.
It's a liability. When you
Liability.
will be
Okay, ma'am.
taking the loan from bank, then your liability must be increasing and your asset bank balance will also be increasing because you have taken the loan. So bank will be depositing the loan amount in your bank account. So your bank balance must be increasing as well as your bank loan will be increasing. So Satakshi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, इसकी general entry.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, don't go to journal entry directly. It means you are cramming the entries. You are doing the rectification. Please learn the analysis of the entry. Only then the concept will be clear. So, Satakshi, when asset is increased, so what is done?
Ma'am, it is debited.
And when liability is increased,
Ma'am, it is credited.
very good. So, Shraddha, unmute yourself. Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what will be the journal entry beta now?
Ma'am, bank account debited to bank loan.
Very good. Bank account debited to bank loan account. So, could you please tell me the narration too?
Being loan taken from bank.
Very good. Being loan taken from bank. Very good, beta. So, please don't learn the journal entries because if you are doing so, your concept will not be clear. I am working here just for your concept clarity. That's why for doing just 4-5 entries, I'm giving you full half an hour, 40 minutes period I'm giving you for only 5-6 entries. Otherwise, I can tell you all the entries in a single day. So my main motive is to make the concept clear so that you people are able to make journal entry yourself. If there is something new concept, then easily you will be able to make the journal entries if you are able to analyze the journal. Clear? Next, suppose in the next entry, you have done the repayment of the loan. Repayment of loan through check, bank loan, through check. So now please raise hands again. I just want to see new hands. Every time the same students are raising hands, why not the others? Yes, Faraz. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, one account is bank loan account and one account is bank account.
Very good. Bank loan account and the other account is bank account. Now please tell me the nature of these both accounts.
Ma'am, bank account is an asset and bank loan account is a liability.
Very good. Now which one is increasing, decreasing?
Ma'am, bank loan account is increasing and bank account is decreasing.
Bank loan is,
Oh, sorry, sir. Ma'am, increasing.
bank
Ma'am,
loan is
there I am.
increasing.
We are giving.
No, beta, you are making payment of bank loan. Bank loan was your liability and you have paid that liability. So how it can increase?
So both things are decreasing.
Yes, Ujjwal,
Both
unmute
accounts are decreasing.
yourself. Ujjwal,
Ma'am, bank loan account is decreasing and bank account is increasing.
bank
Loan
account
account
is,
is decreasing and bank account is
you are making payment. So your bank
and
balance,
bank account is all.
you are making payment to
Ma'am, it
someone.
will decrease.
Yes, very good. So just don't try to do the rectification. Just analyze when you are making payment to someone, the balance of your bank will decrease. So both are decreasing here. It is not always there that the one will increase and the other will decrease. Both may increase like in the previous case and both may decrease. Clear? So now, Ujjwal, tell me which one will be debited and credited.
Ma'am, bank loan account will be debited and bank account will be credited.
Very good. Bank loan account will be debited as it's a liability and it is decreased. Yes, Kunal Bansal,
Yes, ma'am.
speak up the entry.
Bank loan account debit to bank.
Very good. Bank loan account debit to bank and write the amount whatever is given in the question. Now I am doing a little bit change in this the same entry. Repayment of the bank loan is done but not through check. Repayment is done in cash. Raise hands. What will be the changes in the journal entry? Now it is mentioned in the question that the repayment is done in cash. Yes. Yes, Hardik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Hardik, what will be the changes in the journal entry now if you have made the repayment in cash?
Ma'am, firstly, cash account will be there with bank
In
loan
place
account.
of which account? In place of which
Ma'am,
account? Cash.
in place of bank account.
Very good. Cash account will be there. So it is again asset. Asset is decreased.
Asset.
So in journal entry,
Yes,
what will be the change?
I mean journal entry, bank account debit to cash account.
Bank loan account debit, not bank.
Banking.
Bank loan account debit to cash account.
Cash account.
Very good. Very good, everyone. Next, write down the next journal entry, which is in relation to, wait a minute. Yes. Write down one more journal entry. It is just a revision entry. I'm just checking that you people are aware about that topic or not. The entries I'm writing here, and all those who will be doing, they can raise the hands. Okay. So I'm writing here, purchased goods from, understand the transaction very clearly, only then raise hand. purchase goods from Mohan costing rupees 1 lakh at the rate of 10% trade discount. Clear? And 5% cash discount. Both the discounts are there. It's a very important transaction. 5% cash discount, paid 60% amount immediately. This transaction, this type of transaction we did in the previous class. So I just want to confirm whether this is clear or not. So just do your calculations. I'm giving you just 1 minute time. With a calm mind, do your calculations, pass the journal entry, then raise hands. This type of transactions are very, very important in this chapter. And in this transaction, you can see that both the discounts are there. Trade discount as well as cash discount. Yes, do it fast. Few students have raised their hands, but I am waiting for more hand raise. Yes. Vanshika, again your video is off. I am waiting. This entry is very important. I have asked again this entry. As if it's not clear, I can make you clear. Now again. Yes. Few students have raised their hands. Yes. Aditya, you never give me any answer. Very bad. Yes. Yes, Vaibhav Rana, you are unmuted, and Sia Sachdeva, you are also unmuted. Vansh Agarwal, you are also unmuted. Sia Sachdeva, unmute yourself.
Yes.
One by one, I will be asking from all three students. All of them raised hand. And Vaibhav Rana, you are also unmuted. Sneha, you are
Yes,
also
ma'am.
unmuted. Sneha. Yes. So Sia Sachdeva, first is your turn. You just tell me the calculation work which is required here.
Ma'am, trade discount 10% of 1 lakh would be 10,000 and the purchases
Wait a
amount
minute.
will be then
Goods
90,000.
costing is 1 lakh. So first of all, which discount will be subtracted?
Ma'am, trade discount
Yes, which is 10%.
10%.
So 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. It
10,000.
means now the sale price is 90,000. Now,
Ma'am, 60% of cash has been paid, which means 54,000 have been paid.
yes, very good. In now we have to divide the whole amount in two parts, as the whole transaction is neither credit nor cash, correct? So we have to divide the whole amount in two parts, cash and credit. So what is the cash portion? That is the 60%. And it means if we have received the cash only 60%, then it means the rest 40% is on credit. So could you please tell me the amounts here?
Ma'am, cash is 54,000. Credit part is 36,000.
Very good. Now what else?
And then we have applied cash discount 5% on 64,000.
Yes.
That will be
less,
2,700.
less cash discount. 5% of 54,000. It means we have to provide the cash discount not on the whole amount. We have to provide the cash discount only on the amount which is paid in cash. Clear? So what is the cash paid? Here we have purchased the goods. So we need to pay the cash. So what is the amount here? Cash paid amount.
51,300.
51,300. Very good. Now, Vaibhav Rana, it's your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please tell me how many accounts are involved here? After
Ma'am,
making
4 accounts are involved.
4 accounts. Okay. Which 4?
And purchase account,
Very good. Purchases account.
Mohan
Then
account,
Mohan account. Very good.
cash account,
Very good. In what else?
this discount received account.
Very good. Sneha, it's your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nature. What is their nature?
Ma'am, Mohan is debtor, creditor,
Yes, debtor or creditor?
creditor.
Yes, we have purchased goods from Mohan. So Mohan is a creditor. Creditor means it's a liability.
Creditor, liability.
Yes. What about purchase?
Ma'am, purchases account is our expense.
Very good. It's an expense. Then cash.
Asset.
Very good. Then discount received.
Discount received is revenue.
Very good. Who else was unmuted? I have unmuted. Yes, very good bunch. Tell me now which one is increasing and which one is decreasing.
Ma'am, purchase account increasing,
Yes,
Mohan account increasing,
increasing.
cash discount received increasing,
I give these both. Cash account decreasing, and what about discount received?
increasing.
Yes, very good. Now please tell me which will be debited and which will be credited.
Ma'am,
Expenses.
purchase account debited.
Very good. Purchases debited.
Ma'am, cash discount and Mohan, both 3 hours credited.
These are credited. Very
Credit.
good. Yes, very good. Now, Navya Jain, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please make the journal entry?
Yes, ma'am. And purchase account debited.
Very good. Purchases account debited to
cash account.
very good, to cash account,
To discount received account.
to discount received account,
To
to
Mohan account.
yes. Now Riya
Mohan
Agnihotri. Very good. To Mohan. Unmute yourself, Riya. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, purchases account 90,000.
Purchases account 90,000.
Cash account 51,300.
Very good. This amount. because
Discount
this-
received. Discount received to 2,700.
And
Mohan account 36,000.
now after doing this type of entry, you need to do the totaling. Total must match. Debit and credit side total must match. On debit side, we can see that 90,000 is there. On credit side, if we will be adding up all these 3 figures, it will make again 90,000. Because if your total is not matched, in that case, there may be something, some mistakes may be there. Clear? So I hope I am clear with the topic. And this is the most important topic. So if you are if you people are having any doubt, you can raise your hand for your